Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I'm located in the heart of Ostuni. We are a short little walk away from the piazza, and we are showing you a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom property with a beautiful roof terrace. Again, we're just walks away from the main square. Just to the right of us down there is actually Corso Mazzini, which is one of the nicest streets in Ostuni. But we're going to start from a really important space which is underestimated in this type of a property, which is a storage room. And it's actually a really good sized storage room. So you can see you've got this separate kind of doorway, comes into here. You don't have the tallest of ceilings, but I can still stand upright. But a really good amount of space. I mean, this would have been an old room or bedroom of someone. You can kind of see there are stairs kind of connecting up to the property previously. So always peculiar and nice to have these kind of old features that you just like, what was this before? But back in the day, this would have been potentially even someone's house. At the moment, it isn't. This is a storage space, very useful to have. Now, as we go back upstairs, you can see the property itself we're looking at has these 2 independent doorways, one that leads to the terrace itself and then one that leads you to the main living space in the property. So as we walk through the little gate here, you can see here we've got this beautiful door. Kind of gives you an idea. I love this kind of tone of colour here, and coming through you can see it's been beautifully renovated, so there's no work that needs to be done here. We're talking about 80 square meters of property, which does have cooling and heating. We do have a fan coil unit just behind you that does the cooling and heating. Given that it's not a huge property, very easy to heat it up. You can see it's currently been rented out as a holiday home and does rent out incredibly well. So if you're kind of interested in a small property for yourself, kind of you're going to be spending a couple of weeks here and there, but then you want to maybe rent it out for the rest of the time, this is a really good property to do that. You can kind of see, again, we've got like a kitchen here on the side here. We do actually have 2 kitchens, one on the roof terrace as well. Very nice to have, but this is actually a really good sized kitchen and all pretty much ready to be used. Again, no work that needs to be done on this property. You can pretty much come with your suitcase and start living in it already. The other good thing here is that we do have a really decent sized bathroom. I mean, a lot of these properties that we sell in Ostuni, sometimes you're kind of having to duck and weave through them. Not this one. This one feels really nice and spacious, and they've done a really nice job on the renovation. It hasn't been a cheap renovation. I think you can tell the difference when we show properties that have maybe had a little less money spent on them. But you can see we've got a really nice sink there, really good sized shower. And again, these ceilings, we've got the vaulted ceilings as well. So very nice feel to this bathroom. And obviously, if you're going to be renting it out, that is a key point. This kind of brings us round to the last section of the property, which you can see is the bedroom. You may have seen a snippet of it before, but it's very nice. Again, I kind of like those lights on the side there. Obviously, nicely tucked into this alcove. And just again, very picturesque, very pretty, and just a cute, nice foothold in town. Again, just walking distance from the main square. Here we've got a bit of storage space. You do also have the sofa, so this is really your lounge area. Good sized TV actually, again, for this type of a property. But really the nicest part, and really what made me fall in love with this property, isn't the house itself, but it is this beautiful roof terrace, which we're going to see now. You can see these stone floors here. I love these stone stairs as we go up. All the original stones they managed to keep. But then this kind of leads you to this secret outside terrace area, which I'm a huge fan of. A, because it's actually a really good size, but also because it has this beautiful kitchen. So you've really got most of the year here. We've got incredible weather, and you can pretty much imagine that this becomes your main cooking space and main lounge area as well. As you can see, we've got this really large pergola creating a lot of shade here. So you've got a good amount of space to dine outside, but I also like the fact that it's got the independent entrance. So if you want to have friends over, they don't need to walk through the house to get to the terrace. This is really a space for having parties. In the evening, we've got it all lit up, so it's beautiful. But then if you come round and see the other side of the terrace, you can see with these cushions that they've kind of got this really nice lounge area. Obviously the sun kind of bends around over on that side there, so we do have different times of the day where you're going to be getting shade here, but this is just a really nice spot. I love the details with the tiles here. Kind of makes you feel like they are just side tables to this sofa out here, so it does really create this really nice lounge area. You've got the pugliese here as well, very large one, and I am going to put the drone video up just to kind of show you where we are in relation to the centro storico, because again we're very nicely positioned. You're not on any main road as well, so you don't have lots of road noise. If I'm quiet for a moment, you can hear there's pretty much no noise whatsoever. And again, fantastic to have this outside space. And I love the tiles that they've kind of done inside and outside the house. Is all very beautifully done with great taste. Little prickly pears here on the side. Again, I think that's pretty much everything I needed to say on this property, but obviously if there's anything more that you're interested in asking, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.